Morning, Cougs. It is Wednesday, April 29th, and today we are going to talk about 8th grade math, AMI, day 28. So let's start with reading the question. Sails come in many shapes and sizes. The sail on the left is a triangle. Is it a right triangle? Explain your reasoning. So we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem, which we have visited a little bit in past AMIs, but if you remember it right, to determine if a triangle is a right triangle, the measurements must make the Pythagorean theorem true. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. C is always the longest side. And so we're going to look at the example given on the bottom. Is this right triangle? Remember, you cannot tell by just looking at the triangle. So start with the fact that the longest side is also always opposite the right angle. And so 48.5 is going to be your C, as you can see right here. A and B are the legs. The legs create the right angle, and so 32.5 is B in this case, and 39 is A. It really doesn't matter which you choose to be A and which you choose to be B, but as long as you make sure that C is your longest side. So if you plug this into a calculator, 39 squared is 1521, 32.5 squared is 1056.25, and 48.5 is 2352.25. And when you simplify that, the fact is those do not equal. If they don't equal, then they don't make the Pythagorean theorem true, so you don't have a set of right triangles. So let's just look at, well, what does this look like if we have what does it look like if it works? So I'm going to do a very simple one where we have a right triangle, and I'm going to put the legs as 3 and 4 and put the hypotenuse as 5. So if we wanted to say, hey, is there a right triangle here? Then we would say 3 squared, that's a leg, plus 4 squared, that's the other leg. Does that equal 5 squared? Well, 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. 5 squared is 25. Well, 9 plus 16 is 25. 25 equals 25 means that the Pythagorean theorem is true, and therefore we do in fact have a right triangle. So apply this to the problem at hand and see if both sides are equal, then you've got a right triangle. If it's not equal, then the Pythagorean theorem doesn't work and you don't have a right triangle. Hope this helps you, Cougs. Have a great day.